keep his mind on nothing else. He'd trade the world for the good thing he's found. If she is bad, he can see it. She can't do no wrong. Turn his back on his best friend, puts her down.